Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna to show you to crochet this mini bird. This one is so cute. I make this from my own pattern. I probably love to use this bird as a baby mobile, or you can use as a backsham. So first I would like to show you to make the basic of wings. Wings I am used in this tea color yarn here. First I start with this color. You just change 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then working in the third chain from hook, half double crochet in each chain. And then chain 2. We gonna to turn back. Now I'm gonna to do half double crochet. Now we going to work in the back loop. So half double crochet in the next 9 stitch. Like that, and the last 2 stitches here I let it okay, and then change 1, turn back, and then I'm gonna to do slip in the next 2 stitches, but I'm still working in the back loop. Slip 1 stitch and slip in the next 1 slip, and then change 1, and I'm gonna to do half double crochet in the next 7 stitch. Chain 2, turn back. So now I'm gonna to do half double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and still work in the back loop. It's gonna be like that, and slip stitch. like that. So I have to make 2 pieces more in this color. So now I got 3 pieces already, and then you just sew here. You just sew them together by embryo yarn here. I'm gonna to do a head and the body combination. I am using the main color in this one. Okay. First, I'm gonna to do 6 single crochet into magic ring. And then 2 single crochet in next each stitches. Next, we're gonna to do 1 single crochet in next stitch and increase by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same 5 more times around. Next round is a round 4. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and increase by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same 5 more times around. Next round 5 to round 9. I am doing 1 single crochet in each stitches. So right now I got completely 9 rounds, and next round is round 10. I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and then decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same round.
1, 2, decrease.
Next round 11 and 12, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in each stitches. So I'm gonna to keep working, continue to the body part. The next round is round 13. I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and increase by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same 5 more times around. So next round 14, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches and increase by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same 5 more times around. So now round 15 to round 21, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So right now I got completely 21 round, and the next round 22, I'm gonna to do decrease by 2 stitches together. But first I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 5 more times around. And round 23 to round 25, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So now round 26, 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and then decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 5 more times around. Round 27 to round 30, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in each stitches. So next round, round 31, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in next stitch and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 5 more times around. Next round, from round 32 to round 33, I'm gonna to do 1 single crochet in each stitches. Oh sorry guys, from round 32 to round 34, 1 single crochet in each stitches. Now round 35 is the last round. I will do decrease 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that is the finished head and body combination look like. Now for the tail, I'm gonna to use in orange color. So I do chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, and working in the chains from hook half double crochet here, half double crochet in each chain. Chain 2 and then half double crochet in neck edge stitches, but working in the back loop. And then chain 1 and slip stitch in the each stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to be like that. And then insert one single crochet insert one single crochet at the beginning work here, and chain 1, and do half double crochet in the neck 8 stitches.
At chain 1,
slip in each stitch. So gonna like this. I'm gonna make one more piece of this. So then that is the tail. The tail look like. And the next I'm gonna to show you how to do feet. This one I have done before, but I must have to make one more piece of this, so I am using in dark color yarn, or you can use in brown, dark brown, or whatever color you prefer. So first you're gonna to do a chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'm working in the second chain from hook, slip stitch in next 4 stitch, 1 2 3 4, and chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, repeat the same slip stitch, 1 2 3 4, chain 5, and then you just slip in here, that's the fit look like. Okay, and the next gonna to show you to make this big. I am using the same color from fit color. So first step I gonna to do chains T, 1 2 3, working in the large chains here, 4 half double crochet into the large chains, 1 2 3 4, and chains 2. Okay, then gonna be like that, and turn back, 1 half double crochet in same stitch here, and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, that, and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 1 2, and 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then do 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So that's basically it look like this one. These are finishes each part what I have done. This is the wings. So this is the finished burst crochet look like after I sew each part together. So sweet. I hope you like it. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you next video. Bye.